Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Got a little fix-it here today. I don't know what you call fix-it. I don't know if you remember, a couple of months ago, the men broke my vise on the workbench over there. And that's this vise here. So I spent a little bit of time yesterday because I can't give it up. I bought this vise when I was a kid for $15 from my neighbor. It's a Wilton vise, maybe from the late 60s, early 70s. And I just couldn't let it go. And I know how to weld, at least I pretend to. I just wanted to show you that. Hang on, let me flip the old. So I got her relatively right on. I blasted it already, but I used nickel 99. Preheated it. I got the big old rosebud on the 100-pounder standing there. 300 degrees, 350, something like that. And so I'm proceeding to restore it. I think I did a pretty nice job, but I'm going to polish it up so you can't see. And I got to retap this one hole right here and get her nice and cleaned up. And a good trick that I'll tell you for cast iron, I didn't know it until yesterday. I was reading a blog, I think it was, online about something or another, and it was about cast iron. And by the way, this is some of the best cast iron I ever welded. I don't know, she flowed well. Maybe that's why. See that? See that? Back when Hector was a pup and they made good stuff. No, what I learned, you got to preheat and post-heat it. So we keep this around, oil dry. I shoved it in there, and holy crap, is that a good insulator. I came back 6 hours later, and she was still 200 degrees. So I took it out this morning and blasted it and and I'm going to polish that all off. And another thing that I'm not used to, it's red, but this little guy, it's a wire feed, but it's inverter technology, whatever, and I hooked up the old Stinger, Ernie Nickel. Anyways, I tell you what, that surprised the living daylights out of me how nice that welded. So I'm gonna get this stuff all polished up and then I'll bring you through it and we'll put her back together. I did even find the jaws are shot, but I went on Wilton's site yesterday online last night, and of course they don't sell it for this model anymore. But if you're smart like a fox, you look at newer models and they use the same jaw, and it'll say discontinued for this model, but then you look up a newer one, it's 2 3/8 center to center, 5 inches 3/4 by half. So if you got that information, guess what, they're still available. They're like 25 bucks for 2 of them. So I'm going to get them ordered. I got to clean this all up, but you'll see, I'm going to make a project out of this, and I'm going to use it for my own light duty stuff. I'm not going to put a lot of stress on that, but it'll be my vise. Well, it's always been my vise. It's going to stay there somewhere back in my corner here. I like nickel, but I don't like it that much. I bought this here a while ago. I know some guys will say it ain't gonna seal that good on my face, but it's better than nothing. Nickel is a heavy metal. Hi. Well, everything is blended and taped off. Whoops. Close that. There we go. Ready to put some paint on it. So, little clamps. Here we go. And there it is. All the major components are painted.
There it is. He's whole again.
Just gonna get some new jaws for it. When I welded that together, I put it all back together and got it as close as I could. And I'm measuring right now 1.5 inches. 1.5 inches, dead nuts. That means when I put the crack back together, it was broke. I did a good job. So, that's it. I'm gonna get some jaws ordered for it. I'm gonna get these things are all bent to hell. And grease it up. That's it. You can't even tell it was repaired, can you? My fun. Look at that. I suppose I should test it for you folks too, huh? Let's see if I can put something in there. Let's see. I don't want to wreck my jaws. So I'm going to put this in a rag. Drop her in here. See if she breaks. I think we're good. I think we're good. I think that'll do. That'll be real nice. Should get some fresh brand new jaws in there. They're like $30 for a set of hardened jaws. And that'll be cool. So what do you guys think? I think I did an alright job. This was cracked right here all the way up. I could have left the weld, but and right there's the edge of it, because the other serial number was right at the edge of it. So I think I did pretty damn good, if I do say so myself. Bye.